So this video we're going to look at a little something called variables. Now, variables, think of them as containers of information that we can refer to later on. So I'm going to start out by writing a program that essentially lets me have variables for my name. So I'm going to say first name equals, I'm going to say Simon. I'm going to write another variable saying last name equals Lydiard. So you see um, my first name, which is going to equal the string Simon. Now I say string because you can have different types, but I'll get into that in a minute. But I've said first name equals Simon, last name equals Lydiard. So using my print method here, I'm going to say print, hello, your first name is. Now if I want to add a variable to this print statement, I'm going to close my little brackets there, my little inverted commas, put a comma there. I'm going to say first name and then last name. So as you can see here, it says, hello, your first name is first name. So it's going to go looking for a variable called first name. It will go up here and find this. So the value of that is going to be Simon. Then I've got last name here, so it will look for the variable named last name, and it's going to go look up here to find Lydiard. So if I run it, you'll see down the bottom here, it says, hello, your first name is Simon Lydiard. I should probably fix this up. Your first name is I'm going to say, and your last name is, close that, add a little comma so it adds it onto the end or appends it onto the end. Again, I'll run it. Hello, your first name is Simon and your last name is Lydiard. Now, why do we use variables? Well, let's say I had used this. That is a nice first name. Let's say I'd used this more than once. If I had just hard-coded the name, Simon, there, if I run it, you'll see it uses that variable there. If I had just hard-coded it, I would have to go and change it multiple places if I wanted to change it everywhere. But instead, my first name was going to be Bob. I simply have to change the assignment on the variable, run it, and now it's changed it wherever it's referenced. Now, I've only mentioned variables being used as strings. In the next video, we're going to look at operators, and I'm also going to use numbers for my variables as well.